Have you ever wondered why Mad Monkey Siargao is considered the ultimate island getaway? Hello there and welcome to this video with all your friends here from Passport Journey. Are you ready to discover the beauty and wonders that our world has to offer? If your answer is yes, then you've come to the right place. And if you have any suggestions for a future video destination, please feel free to write us in the comments below. Now, in this episode, we will talk about the enchanting world of Mad Monkey Siargao. This paradise is nestled in the heart of the Philippines. But believe me, this isn't your average island retreat. It's a gateway to an experience that will leave you yearning for more. However, Mad Monkey Siargao is more than just a destination. It's an emotion, a feeling of being one with nature, a place where each day is a celebration of life. Painted with lush green landscapes, azure blue waters, and an unending horizon, this little haven is the perfect escape from the fast pace of city life. Mad Monkey Siargao is not just a place, it's an unbelievable experience. It's where the sun kisses the ocean, where the waves whisper tales of adventure, and where the balmy breeze carries the promise of unforgettable moments. It's where the vibrant culture of the Philippines meets the laid-back charm of island life, creating a unique blend that is intoxicatingly captivating. Here, every moment is a memory waiting to be made. Whether you're an adventurer seeking thrill, a food enthusiast exploring exotic flavors, or a leisure seeker in search of tranquility, Mad Monkey Siargao has something for everyone. It's a place where life slows down, allowing you to savor every moment, every emotion, every experience. But what truly sets Mad Monkey Siargao apart is its commitment to sustainability and community. With every step taken, every decision made, the folks at Mad Monkey ensure their actions are in harmony with nature and beneficial to the local community. It's this commitment to sustainable tourism and community welfare that makes Mad Monkey Siargao more than just a destination. It's a movement. So why is Mad Monkey Siargao considered the ultimate island getaway? It's because here, you don't just visit an island, you become a part of it. You don't just see the beauty, you live it. You don't just experience the culture, you immerse yourself in it. Intrigued? Well, hold on tight as we dive deeper into the Mad Monkey Siargao experience. What makes Mad Monkey Siargao stand out among other island resorts? Well, one of the key factors is its unique accommodation options. Imagine this. You've just stepped off the plane, your feet sinking into the sand as you're welcomed with a refreshing drink. You're led to your room and the door swings open to reveal a haven that's far from the typical hotel room. At Mad Monkey Siargao, the accommodation is designed to take you out of the ordinary and into the extraordinary. The dorms, for instance, offer a comfortable and communal atmosphere that's perfect for solo travelers or groups looking to make new friends. You're not just booking a bed, you're gaining a community. But if you prefer a bit more privacy, no worries. The private rooms at Mad Monkey are a blend of modern comfort and island charm. They're spacious, well-appointed, and offer beautiful views of the lush surroundings. It's a space where you can retreat after a day of island adventures, a place that feels like your own island home. And let's not forget about the atmosphere. Mad Monkey Siargao isn't just a place to rest your head. It's a place where the island vibe is alive, where the air is filled with laughter, and where every corner is an invitation to relax and have fun. Whether you're lounging by the pool, chilling in the common areas, or simply enjoying the view from your room, you're immersed in an environment that's vibrant, friendly, and fun. The resort is designed to be a social hub, a place where you can meet people from around the world, share stories, and create memories. It's a place where you can feel the sand between your toes, the sun on your skin, and the warmth of a community that's all about making the most of the island life. So you see, a stay at Mad Monkey Siargao is not just a place to sleep, but an experience to remember. It's a place where you can immerse yourself in the island lifestyle, where every day brings new adventures and where your accommodation is more than just a room, it's a part of your journey. Think Mad Monkey Siargao is just about relaxing? Think again. Mad Monkey Siargao is a haven for thrill seekers and adventure enthusiasts. It's a place where you can step out of your comfort zone and dive headfirst into a world filled with adrenaline-rushing activities and unforgettable experiences. Surfing, for instance, is a must-try here. Siargao Island, the surfing capital of the Philippines, boasts some of the best waves in the world. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a first-time surfer, Mad Monkey makes sure there's something for everyone. With professional surf instructors on hand to guide you, you'll soon be riding the waves like a pro. But the adventure doesn't stop at the shoreline. How about island hopping? Siargao is an archipelago of 48 islands and islets, each with its unique charm. Mad Monkey offers daily island hopping tours that take you to some of the most stunning spots around. Imagine dipping into crystal clear waters, exploring vibrant coral reefs, or lounging on pristine white beaches. It's an islander's dream come true. And then there are the parties. Mad Monkey Siargao is famous for its lively and vibrant nightlife. Themed parties, live music, fire shows, you name it, they've got it. It's a place where you can let your hair down and dance the night away under the starlit sky. And the best part? You're partying with a diverse crowd of fellow travelers from all around the world. It's not just a party, it's a global celebration. But let's not forget the quieter adventures. Take a yoga class, join a cooking workshop, or simply take a bike and explore the island at your own pace. With Mad Monkey Siargao, the possibilities are endless, and every day brings a new adventure. So, whether you're an adrenaline junkie, a party animal, or a serene soul, Mad Monkey Siargao has got you covered. It's not just a resort, it's a playground for those who seek life beyond the ordinary. At Mad Monkey Siargao, every day is an adventure waiting to happen. What's a vacation without indulging in some local delicacies? Right, it's incomplete. The Mad Monkey Siargao understands that the way to a traveler's heart is often through their stomach, which is why they provide a wide array of mouth-watering food and drink options. Picture this: a day of surfing, exploring, or simply relaxing by the pool, and then retiring to a meal that's a celebration of flavors. The resort's menu is a love letter to food, featuring a delightful mix of local and international dishes that cater to all taste buds. From the freshness of the sea to the richness of the land, every dish tells a story. Let's start with the local cuisine. Siargao is known for its seafood, and the resort doesn't disappoint. Whether it's grilled fish straight from the ocean, or a hearty bowl of sinigang, a sour soup made with tamarind and an assortment of vegetables, the freshness and flavor of the local produce shines through. If you're in the mood for something meaty, the lechon, a whole roasted pig, is a must-try. As for international dishes, the resort serves an array of comfort foods that feel like a hug in a bowl. Think juicy burgers, creamy pastas, and crispy pizzas. And for those with a sweet tooth, the desserts are the cherry on top of the dining experience, featuring classics like chocolate brownies and tropical twists like mango cheesecake. But what's a good meal without a perfect drink to accompany it? The resort also boasts a vibrant bar scene. Whether you're a cocktail connoisseur or a craft beer enthusiast, there's a drink for you. Mixologists whip up everything from classic mojitos to exotic tiki drinks, while the beer selection highlights local breweries. And for those who prefer non-alcoholic beverages, the fresh fruit smoothies and shakes are a delight. So as the sun sets and the sky bursts into hues of orange and pink, imagine yourself at the bar, drink in hand, recounting the day's adventures. The laughter, the camaraderie, the clinking of glasses, it's all part of the Mad Monkey Siargao experience. Mad Monkey Siargao offers a culinary journey that complements the island experience. The food and drink here aren't just sustenance, they're part of the adventure. So come, feast, and make memories. Feeling alone on your travels? Not at Mad Monkey Siargao. This place is much more than a resort. It's a vibrant community bustling with life, laughter, and shared experiences. It's where strangers become friends and friends become family. It's where you can be yourself and where you'll be welcomed with open arms. Imagine stepping into a world where the atmosphere buzzes with energy and enthusiasm. A world where every corner you turn, every path you cross, and every room you enter resonates with the sound of laughter and the spirit of camaraderie. That's Mad Monkey Siargao for you. The social events here are the heart and soul of the communal atmosphere. From beach cleanups to boat parties, from yoga classes to barbecues, every event is an opportunity to connect, interact, and make memories. Whether you choose to participate or to simply observe, you'll find yourself absorbed in the infectious spirit of community. Communal spaces at Mad Monkey Siargao are designed to foster connections. The open lounge areas, the lively bar, the cozy library corner, all these spaces echo with stories of travelers from around the globe. Here you'll find yourself sharing tales of your adventures, exchanging ideas, and forming bonds that transcend geographical boundaries. But what makes Mad Monkey Siargao truly special is its friendly staff. Always ready with a smile and a helping hand, they make you feel at home the moment you step foot in the resort. They are more than just hosts, they are comrades, confidants, and sometimes even your partners in adventure. So if you're someone who cherishes connections, who thrives in the company of others, who believes that shared experiences are the soul of travel, then Mad Monkey Siargao is the place for you. Here, you'll become a part of a community that celebrates diversity, embraces camaraderie, and cherishes every single moment of the journey. Mad Monkey Siargao is not just a resort, it's a community. Traveling responsibly is no longer an option, it's a necessity. A vacation at Mad Monkey Siargao is not just about enjoying the pristine beaches, sumptuous food, and exhilarating activities. It's also about being part of a bigger cause: sustainability. Mad Monkey Siargao is deeply committed to sustainable tourism. It's not just a buzzword for them, it's a way of life. Every decision made, every action taken, is with an eye on reducing environmental impact and fostering a better future. One of the key ways they achieve this is through their eco-friendly practices. They are constantly working towards reducing waste, conserving water, and minimizing energy consumption. From using solar power to biodegradable products, every little effort counts. It's a testament to their belief that taking care of our planet is a responsibility shared by all. But their commitment to sustainability doesn't stop there. Mad Monkey Siargao is also deeply involved in local community projects. Their initiatives range from supporting local artisans and farmers to organizing beach cleanups and reforestation drives. They believe that the best way to preserve the beauty of Siargao is to empower its people and protect its natural resources. Their work in the local community goes beyond just donations. They actively participate and encourage their guests to get involved too. Because at the end of the day, sustainability is not just about preserving the environment, it's about creating a better life for everyone in it. So when you choose to stay at Mad Monkey Siargao, you're not just choosing a vacation destination. You're choosing to be part of a movement that believes in the power of responsible travel and the difference it can make in the world. At Mad Monkey Siargao, you can enjoy your vacation while contributing to a sustainable future. So pack your bags and get ready for a vacation that's not just memorable but meaningful. Convinced about Mad Monkey Siargao? Let's guide you on how to get there. Embarking on a journey to Mad Monkey Siargao is an adventure in itself. Whether you're coming from the bustling city of Manila or the scenic Cebu, there are a couple of ways to reach this tropical paradise. If you're starting from Manila, the quickest way is to hop on a direct flight to Siargao. The flight usually lasts about 2.5 hours. Upon landing, you're just a 45-minute drive away from Mad Monkey Siargao. There are vans and tricycles available at the airport to take you straight to your destination. If you're taking off from Cebu, there are also direct flights to Siargao. The flight duration is roughly an hour and a half. Once you touch down, the same road transportation options, vans and tricycles, await to whisk you off to Mad Monkey Siargao. For those of you who fancy a bit of a sea adventure, you can take a ferry ride from Surigao City to the port of Dapa in Siargao. From Dapa, it's just a 30-minute drive to Mad Monkey Siargao. This route might take a bit longer, but the breathtaking sea views along the way make it all worth it. If you're already in Siargao exploring other areas, you can easily get to Mad Monkey Siargao by road. Grab a tricycle, rent a motorbike, or catch a hobble-hobble, a local motorcycle taxi. The island's laid-back atmosphere and stunning landscapes make for an unforgettable road trip. Remember, no matter which route you choose, be sure to enjoy the journey as much as the destination. The vibrant locals, the stunning sceneries, and the anticipation of what awaits you at Mad Monkey Siargao are all part of the experience. Getting to Mad Monkey Siargao is part of the adventure. There's more to Mad Monkey Siargao than meets the eye. Beyond the stunning waves and the warm, sandy beaches, there's a world of adventure, community, and sustainability. This island resort is not just a place to rest your head, it's a destination that offers unique accommodations, activities that pump adrenaline, and food that dances on your palate. Mad Monkey Siargao is a place where you can immerse yourself in the local culture, engage with a community of like-minded travelers, and contribute to sustainability efforts that protect the island's beauty for generations to come. It's a place that's as mindful about its footprint as it is about its guest experiences. Whether you're a thrill seeker, a foodie, or someone who just appreciates a good sunset, Mad Monkey Siargao has something for you. It's not just a resort, it's an island experience that stays with you long after you've returned home. Ready for a trip to Mad Monkey Siargao? The island paradise awaits you. For more travel tips and products to help you on your traveling journey, check out the links in the video description below. And if you liked the video and we've given you some value, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for our newest videos. And as always, thank you so much to all our traveling friends. Until next time, from all of us here at Passport Journey, we wish you happy trails, safe travels, and good luck on your trip to Mad Monkey Siargao here in the Philippines.